This is Chuck, Tune-Up Program Manager at American Home Contractors, and today he'll be performing a gutter tune-up. Here's what to expect when Chuck or one of our other technicians arrives at your home. Our gutter tune-up package includes the cleaning of up to 100 linear feet of gutters, the sealing and caulking of gutters, including miter joints, outlets, and end caps, tightening gutters and downspouts using existing fasteners and brackets, testing gutter slope for proper water flow, a visual inspection of runoff and ground drainage, and a full attic, roof, gutter, and exterior inspection, along with before and after photos powered by Company Cam. You can schedule your appointment and prepay online at AmericanHomeContractors.com or call us in Maryland at 301-209-7000 or Virginia at 703-242-5000. Trust the experts with over 100 years of combined experience. Trust American Home Contractors.